Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm making this delicious black eyed peas sauce. Let's get started. In food preparation, you must ensure that your food is clean and safe for consumption. I start by washing the beans thoroughly, and I'll also get rid of the bad beans in it. You can see how the color of the water has changed. So I usually wash it twice or thrice before cooking it. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and remember to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I put up a new video. So after washing, I now add the beans into the saucepan that I'll be cooking it, and I add water. I'll place it on the fire and add some baking soda into it. You can add kanwa or potash. So I'll let this cook for 15 minutes. This is palm oil. I'm just going to make my stew that I'll be adding into my beans. So I have green bell pepper, onions, tomatoes. So I'll let this fry for 1 minute, then I'll add some tomato paste and also seasoning cube and salt. I also have green chili pepper in it. I'll fry this for 3 minutes before adding it into my beans. My beans is well cooked now, so I'm going to add my stew into it. Afterwards, I'll stir it well for everything to mix well. Beans is a good source of protein and also has fiber which aids in digestion. But one can also be allergic to it. So if you're allergic to it, you have to avoid it. After adding my stew, I allowed it to cook for additional 3 minutes before serving. I hope you do try this, and I'll be glad to see your comments in the comment section. And I'll also be happy to know where you are watching us from. I'm grateful for your time. Have a wonderful day. Bye.